There it is. No, I'm not going to take it, as much as I'd like to. It's our 22 unit. 5,200. Looks like it's full of mold. Probably don't even work. This is a jungle. This is what you call a trash house. You all should see the inside. Here's the well house. Back here is the air conditioner. And I'm not... you know what? Call me dumb, but I'm curious to see it. Just gotta watch where I step. There's briars and all sorts of... Ow, crap, just like that. That was a briar. That thing they're trying to attack me. That thing is old. That's an old Goodman. Oh, just a pathway. The things I do for a video. And a flood damaged property. That's an old Goodman. Goodman in the weeds. Getting out of here now.
I got a little one here, but I'll take one. I ain't no doubt about that. What you got? Yeah.
Oh, this thing stinks.
You gonna have to basically tear that whole wall all the way out. Yeah, that whole wall probably have to come out. That's supporting the roof. You know that.
Man, this thing's filthy.
You got that old plumber in there. How to get anything coming? You know about that.
It's got 2 furnaces in it. I've never seen a... God. I've never seen a house with 2 of these in it. They're both identical. It's quite interesting. There's a thermostat for one. Robert Shaw. That's for the air conditioning. That's for the heat. It's a double wide and it's an absolute mess. This place got 2 furnaces in it. I've never seen that before.